talk about how can you scan QR code on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on profile here. When just click on profile, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you click here in this sign. When just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this. Go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, then it's going to show you just click here on while using the app, then it's going to take you to scan your QR code on your Roblox app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.